It's pretty cool. It started raining. It's completely sunny outside. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So yeah, you got like sun. It's cloudy, of course, but right there is like the sun. It's the strangest thing. Huh. I feel that. Okay, let's just kind of see. So, okay, they got some umbrellas down there, but actually, it's sunny today. The strangest thing. I've never seen it so sunny with it raining at the same time. Yeah, I think almost everybody is kind of the same as me. So take a look at that and you can see the rain just kind of coming down over there. And it's like completely... Huh. I don't even know what to say. 'Cause actually I'm not the only one kind of surprised and shocked by that. But yeah, anyways, I'm kind of over here by this park. Just for some references, there's some Guanyin statues over this way. Some of the casinos are over this way, MGM. And I'm just kind of sitting there and checking my phone, and suddenly it's like starts this strong rain with this all the sunshine out. It's the strangest thing. It's still going like that too. Let's just go one more time. That's crazy. Yeah, look at that. Man, that's crazy. Yeah, usually it's a little bit cloudy, right? Anyways.